Alright guys, we're going to try this again. I think I got my gearing all straightened out. Hopefully this is showing something you guys are seeing. I'll get my phone out for the standard. So, you see I started up first. So as you can see, we got some new sticker placement. Hopefully you guys dig it. We're gonna start the run today with one of the stock WL batteries, just to make sure my gearing's right before we put in our URGENEX 50cs. Not even gonna time it right off the get. Well, might as well. See the difference. So I'm gonna get the camera set up, and then we'll be right at it. No, it's not fully back together again, so hopefully this doesn't go horribly wrong. Got fresh batteries in the controller. Where's my GPS? We'll put the driver in after once we get the good stuff in there. Come on. Alright, we got GPS signal. I'm not sure I'm going to attach it, but we'll figure something out. Maybe I will put this back. This battery is the one I was testing with at home, so I'm not expecting a whole lot out of it. Probably cut through a lot of this baloney. Let's see how it goes. That's not gonna work. That's not gonna work. We'll just tie it to the battery. Don't do this at home, kids. Alright. I don't plan on crashing. Famous last words, right? And no gremlins today. No gremlins today. Alright. Alright. Looks like we're all set. Alright. Cross your fingers, guys. Whoa! I had it set down to 40 for the speed. Oh. Oh. There you go. Nice board. Might pick it up on the way home. Alright, hopefully we hit that 25.7. Holy cow, that thing has got some. I think you're right, Phil. Get these tires hot. Now these are my track tires, are $4 tires. And so far, these have got the best grip out of all of them so far. They're Gem RC $4 track tires. So, let's see where we're at. Hopefully it's better than it was. 29! Oh yeah! Now this is a standard 25C. 29 miles an hour. 29 miles an hour. There we go. There we go. I'm going to catch you. I'm going to catch you. So now we're going to do the 2S 50C. Got 29, Lauren. That's awesome. Awesome. Let's see how hot she is first. 91, that's nothing. And notice I got the regular ESC back in. I dried her out last night and she works great. So, no, I did just charge these. Sorry about my wire mess, man. I'm with vacation and all. I'm on borrowed time. You want to drive, Lauren? You want to try it out?
Why don't you duck so I can make sure your head's at the right angle?
Alright.
I don't know, I can't see it.
Well, then you're about useful.
I can't see it like a return.
Here, look.
It's black.
Well, you gotta hit the button.
Which button?
Top one. This one here. There you go. Just once. Twice turns it off.
You're good.
I'm good? Okay.
Seeing past the brim of your hat.
Alright, we're back at it. So I'm going to leave it at 29 because that's what we got for the standard WL blue battery. The 16 or 1900. That one's 2200, whatever. And I know I'm going dangerous. I'm taking a chance. Not locking that battery down. But these are little batteries. And I'm not going to crash. Right, Lauren? I said it twice. Where's my wood? Knocked on wood. Cardboard. Alright. Yeah, right. Alright, so hopefully we're going away on vacation tomorrow, so hopefully I'll get this up today. Get us on the board for next week. I know 55's the one, but that's probably 3S. I don't remember. This is 2S 50C. Ha! Squirrely. Okay. We're gonna turn that steering down even more. We're at 30% now. Alright. Hopefully we get to 30. It's probably the battery. I always get stuck in the grass. I'll fast forward. But I'll do some glamour shots later. Get the... This thing is awesome. Wish I knew about the TT02 before. Whoa! Yeah. So I hope you guys dig the new look. I did some sticker changes since yesterday. Alright. This thing is so awesome. Alright. Let's see what we got, Lauren. What do you think? Think we got 30?
I don't know. 110 did I
30.9! That's awesome. Okay, 2S 50C, URGENEX battery, 2200 mAh, 30.9. Now this is with the 6.8 or the 68 tooth pinion or spur gear and the stock pinion. Ooh, I'm missing a screw there.
That's probably what that was.
Yeah, well, I'll have to put that in. So we might try 3S later, but this is where we're stopping right now. So hopefully you guys dig. Yeah, please. Sweetheart. So we got a 3S 25C. We're gonna try that out, but I'm gonna let this cool down. Let's see what we got for some heat. My gyro's busted, but I have another one coming. 95. That's nothing. That's nothing. Nothing. That's nothing. We got lots to go. Awesome. Well, like and subscribe and all that. Okay. Like and subscribe and all that. And hopefully you dig what you're seeing. I think that body turned out sweet. Sweet. Thanks, guys. Appreciate all the fun. Again, 30.9, that's our 2S run. 2S little batteries, not the big honkers. So we got our 3S batteries from URGENEX coming. It's one of these. So I got another one to spare, use it later. But we're letting it cool for a minute and we'll get it rolling. Now, you do see all my tires up there. That's my selection. These are my $4 tires, $4 a set. Fronts are smaller than rears. They work really good for carpet especially and road. These are my best road runners. I've gotten the best speeds out of these, 55 miles an hour. These I've gotten 50 miles an hour on my 114 speed run car. And then these are the ones that we got a long time ago, but they work good and they're actually really good for what they are. So anyways, there's going to be a whole episode just on tires. Let's see what works. All right. Now Mom's is still working for the speed run spot, so we're going to keep doing it. So y'all are camping here. Anyways, I'll see you when I see you. 30.9.